Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video presentation for Algorand cryptocurrency on December 2023. Looking forward to see what's happening with this crypto that just got into biggest gainers and it's about to do some interesting movements. So we would like to discover at the end of the day which are the future targets and what are the levels we should be pretty much careful about based on the language of the market. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, ask me any questions, or at the same time subscribe to the YouTube channel to find out more about many other things that I'm actually talking about, including live trading that I have, education especially, that is very important what I see. We also have a one-on-one coaching program directly with me that you can participate, including our Done For You trading program that you can join. No prior fee, only commissions from the profits which have been made that are paid by you every 7 days. This is running completely automated. We have our ChatGPT bot helping us, and it's all great. So let's discover what's happening on Algorand cryptocurrency for 1 day technicals. Now, first of all, we got to zoom out a little bit here and see the picture as it looks like in a most honest way possible. Algorand didn't break out of the crypto winter. That's the honesty, folks. Because of the high that it made at this point, we are actually needing to deal with that. We cannot underestimate it, or we cannot eliminate it from charts out of the blue. And I'll tell you why. Because if I turn on the moving averages, tell me what's happening right there. On the top, you see the exact confirmation of a triple wick structure on the 1 day candlesticks. Triple wick structure is one of the highest performing indications of how meaningful something it is. So when you get that, it is excluded to eliminate such key level. Now, when it comes down to our discussion, we need to break out of that before we can actually talk about a bull market. A strong movement from Algorand. Of course, it's sitting at 15 cents. Algo is going to be above in the dollars mark. Can get into the double digits, right? It's obvious. As soon as it has the ability to stay above the dollar mark for a while, it will get above $10 as well. But for the moment, Algorand, and we must speak the reality, is sitting at 15 cents. It's not like it didn't move during this rally. So far, it did 75%. Again, nothing comparable to 150, 180, 250, 300% movements. Some of the other altcoins did, but they didn't have to fight with this, top. They didn't have to fight with that top, definitely at all. Especially with a trending line they hit. They kind of broke out. The trending line was coming in like this, and they broke out 2 weeks ago. Algorand is in a different situation. First of all, it has a supply zone located here. It has a golden pocket right there. It has a resistance environment trending line that is already lasting for a couple of hundreds of days, like 565 days on the charts. Not a joke. It has resistances to play around. Although, what do we see for Algorand as an honest target? Due to the fact that this cryptocurrency, when it starts moving, which is nothing comparable to what you see right now, this isn't how Algorand behaves when it pumps. Algorand actually does 20-30% moves in a day, and it follow-ups through 3 to 4 days like that. So it does the 100% quite easily on the charts for, usually 72 hours. This is no surprise. This is something as a trader you need to expect basically when it comes down to Algorand. The only question is that the time, the moment, and the way the whole market is going to look like. So the targets that we're actually portraying will be the major supply level. I'm not going to talk about this guys right here as they're too close to us for the force of Algorand at the time it moves. This is something I need to underline, guys. At the time it moves, as it knows how to move. So the main targets will be actually a little bit higher, slightly above 40 cents. That's a major supply level dictated by the markets, which is having a bunch of liquidity, and the gut market's got to confirm there, break a little bit below, change the market structure, and establish another breakout system towards the upper side. And then, as soon as you climb yourself and confirm this supply level into your next demand, then you will be able to talk about not 50 cents right here, but you're going to talk about basically, It's simple. No one cares about breaking on this structure, as that will automatically send us to the tops here, right? It will automatically send us right there. 70 to 75, 80 cents. That will be the target as soon as you transform your supply of 40 cents into your next demand level. You can expect another 100% on that. So from here, honestly speaking, from here towards the 80 cents is 420%. Those are targets to consider for Algorand. Is it realistic for the month of December? No, it's definitely not. Unless you have an external information or any form of partnership or deal, right, that is going to trigger. But without that, based on organic market movements, no. The organic market movements would have basically number one target here, number two target right there on the supply. This is a conjunction and mixture of resistances appearing at, anywhere above 22, 23 cents, around that level. And then the next one would be on 40, 41, 42 cents. These are basically the places and levels we gotta consider on the topic. That's pretty much all how Algorand sits at the moment. Beautiful. For those of you that are looking for education, like I said, feel free to reach out. This is a one-on-one coaching program with me where I'm taking you by hand and teach you how to trade. Get yourself ready before the bull market starts and prepare your weapons to leverage trade, day trade, swing trade, position trade, spot trading on the altcoins, including BTC, as with strategies, language of the market in a advanced way, of course, indicators and so on, psychological live trading exercises, homework. We are pretty much doing everything. That's it on the topic, folks. Just reach out if you think this is important. As well for the Done For You trading, if you want to run this in the meantime, you do other things or you have businesses or so, this can run basically without having you needing to work. It is completely automated, no prior fee, only commission from the profits made. Commissions are paid by you every 7 days. We are trading through API trading permission, and we have our ChatGPT bot participating. Have a good time, folks. Reach out. There's the ability to schedule up a free conversation with me on Calendly to find out more. All the links and resources are in the description area and comments area of this video. We'll talk to you soon, guys.